Hello, welcome to London, and here's a quick look at what's in my sketching kit for this summer. First thing is a sketching stool. This one's from Walkstool. Next I have my Stillman and Birn Beta sketchbook and a clip and a brush stuck to the cover. Keep it nice and straight. A pencil case, and inside the pencil case I have a little tin of watercolours. I'll put the whole list of them at the end. I've also got a small tin of Neocolour II crayons, if I can get the lid off. There you go. For brushes, I've got a Pro Art size 2 brush, an Escoda travel brush size 6, and an Escoda travel brush size 16. The Escoda brushes were kindly given to me by the company when I was in Barcelona. I've also got a Faber Castell pencil, a Uniball Signo white gel pen, a Pentel water brush, a Rotring Tikky fine liner, a Pentel micro correct pen, a Pentel black brush pen, a selection of colour pencils, extra clip, tube of white gouache, a pencil stub I think is right at the bottom, and another clip there. And lastly, there's a hat because it's very hot in London at the moment. Here's a closer look at everything. And here are the details about the watercolours. All are Winsor and Newton, apart from the ones I specifically mention. Cobalt Turquoise Light, Cobalt Blue, Neutral Tint, Terre Verte, Oxide of Chromium, Olive Green, Perylene Green, Cherry Blossom Deep, which from Deep Light, Opera Rose, Winsor Red, Volcano Violet from Schminke, Cobalt Violet, Mineral Violet from Roman Schmaltz, Buff Titanium, Daniel Smith, Lemon Yellow, Naples Yellow and Indian Yellow. And here's what they look like coming up on paper. The thing I forgot to mention was I've got a water pot and a bottle of water which I carry with me. What are your favourite summer art materials? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.